Hi, this is the FMA Debrief. Today we are with Ed Dernulc. He's the director of our foundation, Nuts, Bolts, and Thingamajigs. Summer is almost here, and this is a really exciting time for NBT. Tell us why.
Well, Sarah, this year we're going to have 235 camps in 28 states and Canada. We're going to be impacting over 4,000 young adults who will get their first experience in what the manufacturing process and industry is.
So who are these camps for?
These camps are for young adults, 12 to 16, and during their camps they're going to get the experience of building a project, they're going to get the experience of touring manufacturing industry, so it's really exciting for us. This is the most camps we've ever had.
That's great. Why is it so important that we do these camps every year?
Because our members have told us that workforce development is a key issue. It's hard to find good help. So this starts the process of getting young adults engaged into the manufacturing industry so they're the next generation of manufacturers and entrepreneurs.
For more information on these camps and how you can support them and get involved, please visit our website today at nbtfoundation.org.